Welcome to Anna's Kitchen.
Hi, I am Anna. Please subscribe. It's free and helps the channel grow.
Today, we are making chicken with rice and vegetables.
Ingredients: 1 cup rice, 250 milliliters water, a quarter teaspoon sea salt, 1 onion sliced, 1 carrot sliced, 1 leek sliced, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 clove garlic chopped, 1/4 piece zucchini chopped. 300 grams chicken breast, seasoning, sea salt, pepper and dried thyme. 6 tablespoons olive oil or 85 grams margarine. First, slice the onion, carrot and leek, then chop the bell pepper, garlic clove and zucchini. Take a saucepan and fill it with 250 milliliters water and a half teaspoon sea salt. When water boils, add the rice and keep stirring regularly. Put a frying pan on the stove and add olive oil or margarine. When hot enough, 190 to 210 degrees Celsius, add the seasoned chicken, turn both sides for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now, take chicken out of the frying pan and put it on a cutting board. Cut the chicken into dices. Meanwhile, add the vegetables into the frying pan. Add a pinch of sea salt, pepper and 1/2 teaspoon thyme. Add the chicken and cook for 10 minutes more. Add 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Well done. I think I'll have a coffee now. Until next time.